Okay, welcome back. Let's continue with our Meterpreter commands. And in the previous videos, we only navigated through how we can check through file systems, and we only checked how we can use sessions in the Meterpreter. But in this video, we are going to check out the interesting commands like running a keylogger or screenshot of the desktop or screen share. But before we get to proceed to those interesting commands, let us check the system commands. And to get them, just type help. These are the commands like clear ref, clear the event log, drop token, execute a command, get mv or get uid. So let's check this one, which is the get uid. So if I type get uid, tell me the server name, desktop, L2QR for VHP, which is my Windows local host machine. And I can also check other commands like the execute, which is this one, the execute, which is to execute a command. So let's execute a command. So execute calc. Okay, by the way, you can use the upper arrow key to use the previously used commands, and it's telling me that I must specify -f, specify a specific command. So the moment that I execute a calculator, as you can see here, it directly open a calculator with just a simple command, and it's telling me that the process is 20,772. So this is the process ID. And in the previous videos, we saw how we can check the process ID of any process or commands that are executed on a system. And to check that, you can type ps, and this will give you all the process that are running on my Windows host machine. As you can see here on the left side, these are the process IDs. So if I go all the way up, I can check the process ID, which is 20,722, which is the process ID of my calculator. So to kill it, you can click the process ID by the command kill. So if I scroll all the way, these are the file systems, these are the core commands. So to kill a command, you just type kill and the process ID. So I'm just type kill and then 20,722. Smart Chrome. So I'm looking for my calculator's process ID. I don't think it will take me so much time, but if you want to kill any process that is running, you can just type kill and then the process ID's number. We also do have another commands. So let's go to the system. Under the network commands, these are the system commands. You can choose the reboot, which reboots the remote computer, but since I'm using my Windows host local machine and I'm recording through that PC, I cannot reboot it, but you can reboot it. You can also have the shutdown command to shut down the remote boots. You also have the sys info, which is to check the system information that's running. This is the computer desktop, it's Windows 10, the architecture is x64, and it's Windows. So these are the system commands right now, and we'll proceed to the interesting commands. So if I type help, these are the interesting commands that we have. For example, I do have this mouse, so let me copy it and paste. These are the mouse actions. I can move, click up, down, or right click, or right up. I can also use this button right here. Let me copy this, and when I paste it, you can see the mouse move. Since it is right here, you will see the mouse go to here. So let me paste it, and did you see it? It moved the mouse. And we also do have the keylogger. So this is the keylogger, and to start it, you can just type keyscan start to start the keystrokes. So let me copy it, and let us try to type. Okay, I'm gonna type in any, and this is Linux command. So I have typed this one. Sorry, I didn't start it. First I have to start it, and let me try to type in keyboard. This is Linux keylogger command. So if I get back to my Kali Linux, and to dump it, the keystrokes, you can use the command keyscan dump to dump the keystroke buffer. So I'm gonna copy it. If I paste it right here, and as you can see here, these are the type that I typed with my keyboard. This is the Linux keylogger, and to stop it, you can click keyscan stop, and it will stop for the keystrokes, and it will stop catching the keyboard inputs, and I'm going to stop it. We do also have the screenshot of our desktop, and it's saved to this directory right here, and you can check it over there. It's saved there. And we also do have to record mics, which is this command right here, record audio from the default microphone for X seconds. I'm gonna copy it, and you can use the -T to specify for the amount of time you want to record. So I'm gonna, it's starting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 9 10. Yeah, so it's saved to this directory. So let us check if it's saved or not. As you can see, this is the saved audio file. I don't think this is O starts with the O, right? So as you can see here, this is the saved file. So if I go ahead to my Kali Linux machine, so let's try to listen it. Starting 1 2 3 4 5 6. As you can hear, this is the audio that I recorded. 9 and it has recorded my audio through microphone, and this is amazing, right? Do you see how we can manipulate and try to attack and use the Meterpreter to our advantage? Okay, great. For now, we used the basic Meterpreter commands, and in next video we will escalate our privilege and get the highest privilege in Windows, which is the system, and we'll try to use advanced modules, which are the post exploitation modules, and we will see how we can elevate and escalate our privilege. See you in the next video.